Hey there. Welcome to the easiest guide to start a blog. I'm Mike, WordPress teacher and senior editor at #blogging.com. In this video we'll briefly walk through the basics of creating your first blog. This guide is exclusively for pre-bloggers who want answers to get their first blog up and running. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you step by step how to get hosting, install WordPress, and customize blog design and layout. In order to run your own blog, you'll need a hosting account and a domain name. A domain name is what people type into their browser to find your site. This is why they are sometimes referred to as web addresses. A web hosting, short for website hosting, is the service that provides space on the internet for websites and lets people access all of the files and pages for your site. If you're watching this video on YouTube, go ahead and click the link at the beginning of the description. It will go straight to GoDaddy. In the search bar right here you can type in a web address and see if it's available. Just type something in and click search, and if it is available, it will come up as green right here. And then you can just click select and click continue to cart. On this next page under Linux web hosting, select economy plan. Scroll down, and click on continue to cart. Select or cut the term of both hosting and domain name to 1 year. All you have to do is go to the bottom and click proceed to checkout. Continue as a new customer, and then you fill out your billing information right here. Go ahead and pause this video and fill everything out, and then come to the bottom and just click continue. Once you've registered your domain, you can log right into your GoDaddy account. And on your home page you'll see the section that has hosting. Click on manage. And now a final step: installing and design your blog. Finding a platform that meets your needs is the first thing you have to do. I'm a big advocate for the WordPress platform. WordPress is probably the easiest and most powerful web software for building and running websites. Once WordPress installed and configured, you can build pretty much any type of site you want with WordPress. A blog, a portfolio, a magazine, an e-commerce storefront, a community site, a business site, a forum, a social network. The possibilities are virtually endless. More than 75 million websites, including 52% of the top 1 million most visited websites in the world, runs on WordPress. The first step in learning or using WordPress is installing and running the application on a server. Begin your installation by clicking WordPress from Applications panel. Then on next page click on Install. Leave the first two fields the same. However, the second is asking if we want to place our WordPress site inside of a subdirectory or a subfolder, which we do not. So, delete this and leave it empty. Give your site a name and a short description. It's very important that you do not leave your username as admin for security reasons, since it makes hacking your account one step easier. Stick with their strong password. Update your email address. Then click to install. To get to the login page on any WordPress site, simply enter the main URL for the site and type in /wp-admin. We can then log into the user area, with the username and password that we set up during registration. When you log into your WordPress site for the first time, you're met with a dashboard, which is the landing view for the WordPress admin panel. The WordPress admin panel consists of three main components: the WordPress toolbar that you can see at the top here, which we'll talk about in the next movie, the admin menu, positioned to the left, and the main admin area, which is where we'll do the majority of our work. The admin menu is separated into three main sections: the dashboard section, where you access the dashboard application updates, and some plugin activated features, like statistics. The content management section, where you can create and manage posts, pages, media items, comments and other plugin activated features, like form submissions, and finally, the site administrations section, where you can configure among other things, the appearance of your site, what plugins are installed and activated, the overall settings, and plugin activated extensions like SEO, social sharing and security. Adding and customizing plugins and themes is a pretty simple process and allows us to greatly customize what's possible to do with WordPress. Under Appearance positioned to the left we can see that we have a few different themes installed by default, and we can pick to activate or change our theme simply by hovering over the theme and clicking Activate. Likewise, for plugins, if we wanted to add integration with Facebook into our site, we can simply search for a Facebook plugin, install and activate it. You can now start adding content to your blog by clicking New and Post. You can add some post content here. Then hit Publish. Now go to the top left-hand corner and click on the name of the website. You'll see exactly how your website looks like live online. Right now is nothing fancy. Love this, and that's what this last step is all about. Alright everyone, congratulations, you got your first blog. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Remember to thumbs up this video, share and always subscribe.